Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Zia. I am Mustafa. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine. Open your books, page 108.
Assalamu alaikum, Mr. I am Muhammad Hadi.
Alaikum Assalam, Muhammad Al Hadi.
Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Faisal Fadil.
Hello, Faisal.
Hi, Mr. نايف موجود.
Hello. Okay, open your books, page 108.
Hello, Mr. I'm Abdullah Fahad.
Hello, Abdullah Fahad. Abdullah Fahad. Malik is there. Then,
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا عبد الله علي دخلت.
hello, Abdullah Ali.
Mr. Page what? Page كم؟
108. Okay, Faisal is there. Faisal Abdullah is there. Faris. Faris, are you there? Faris, are you there? Faris? Okay, Jassar is not there. Malik is there. Michelle. Michelle موجود؟ Muhammad Al Hadi is there. Mustafa Naif. Then we have Sultan is absent. Waqi is there. Yahya is there. Okay. Sultan, are you there? Sultan.
أنا بتال بدر.
Hello, Battal brother. Okay. Mustafa, open your mic and start reading, please. Okay, I will read
Okay,
the
Mr.
head. I will read heading for you.
The sun appears to move, but it doesn't. Explore through modeling that the sun doesn't move. Its operate movement is
It's apparent movement.
its apparent movement is caused by the earth spinning on its axis. The big idea: the sun appears to rise and set every day. Read
Yes.
the under.
No, it's fine. Ahmed, open your mic and read. The sun rises.
Page count.
108.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, Ahmed, read.
The sun rises in the morning to mark the end of night. The beginning of day. Day and night happen at different times across the world, even whenever you live.
Okay. Even wherever you live, the sun rises.
Where you live, the sun rises and sets at different times during the year. Look at the information you collected in other investigations about the shape of your shadow.
Okay, thank you.
On
So
what?
here we have, thank you, Ahmed. Okay.
السلام
So here
عليكم
is
يا مسيح.
Alaikum Assalam, Michelle. Okay,
Page
so here
what,
we
Mr.
have page 108. Here we have a graph. where we have months, sunrise time, sunset time, and total hours of sunlight. Okay, like in January, the sunrise time is 7 hours and 1 minute. Sunset time is 17:53. Total hours 10 hours and 51 minutes. Okay, so according to this, we will fill these questions 109. Open page 109. According to page 108, we will fill these. Okay. So here you have question number 1. Describe the pattern in the data. Okay, let me write Jissar. Jissar is there. Okay. Okay, describe the pattern in the data. The amount of sunlight increases until July and then decreases after August. You can see that in your pattern. Let me make it smaller. Now Sultan is there. Okay. Amount of sunlight increases until July and then decreases after August. Okay. Got it? Okay. Then question number 2 is, do some months have more sunlight hours than others? Yes, they have. Yes, why we are saying yes? Because if you see the pattern, June, July and August have 13 hours of sunlight. December and January only have 10 hours of sunlight each day. Right? If you see the pattern, you will find these. Okay, next question is, if it is difficult to read big tables of results like this, it would be easier to see them on a graph. If we make a graph, we can read it easily. What kind of graph could you draw? We can draw a bar chart. We can draw a bar chart. Okay. Draw a graph chart in your investigation notebook to display total hours and sunlight. Okay, we will do this in an activity. Okay. What is the independent variable? Independent variable is month. Month is independent.
Mr. Page, what?
You cannot see in your screen, on your screen?
I cannot see it. I'm trying.
Okay, 109. Month is independent variable. This is the answer. What is the dependent variable? The dependent variable is hours of sunlight. Hours of sunlight. These are dependent on the time. Okay. Which month of the months of the years has the most sunlight hours? Okay, tell me, Mustafa or Jassar, Muhammad Al Hadi. Which
Mister.
months of years has which month of year has the most hours of
July.
sunlight? Yes, come on.
July.
July, very good. July. Okay. Which of the month has earliest sunrise? Earliest sunrise. The time is earliest. Malik, Faris.
Can I, Mister?
No, Mustafa, wait.
August.
Mustafa, wait. Yes, Malik.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Give me the answer. Earliest sunrise.
Which month has the earliest sunrise?
Earliest sunrise. أيوة. يعني هو من خد أول واحد هو خد sunlight.
January.
السلام عليكم مستر فتحي.
June.
January.
June is June. Yes, June. June is the month who gets earliest sunrise. June is getting earliest sunrise, which is the time is 5:40. يعني 45 5 ساعة و40 دقيقة. Earliest sunrise. Okay. Then which month has the latest sunrise? Latest يعني مرة تأخر. Say latest. July has latest. July has latest sunrise. July has latest sunset, sorry. Why? Because it is 19 hours and 10 دقيقة. 19 ساعة و10 دقيقة. 19 hours and 10 minutes. Then
Mister, page what?
109. You can see here, I think, on screen. Are the days with the most sunlight hours at the same time of the year? Same time of the year. Yes, there are. Which are June, July, and August. June, July, and August. They have same hour, right? Okay. Which month has the lowest sunlight? Sorry, fewest sunlight hours. Fewest, yani माफी ज़्यादा, مرة قليل. Which one is that? Muhammad Al Hadi, tell me.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, which month has fewest sunlight hours? Yani مرة شوية, yani sunlight hours مرة شوية, माफी ज़्यादा. 10 hours, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which is less?
Last.
أيوة, less, fewest. شوف
40.
January. شوف January has 10 hours يعني 10 ساعة و 51 دقيقة 51 minutes. مرة شوية يعني 10 hours 51 minutes. باقي كله زيادة. Right? Rest of the months have a lot. So this is fewest, January. So you will write here January.
January.
Yes, January. Okay. Okay, this question. Circle the biggest. Sun, Earth, Moon. Biggest.
Sun.
Yes, the sun. Okay.
Mister, I am finished.
Okay, Michelle, Rakesh. Describe how Earth moves. Include the word basis. Okay, so the answer is the Earth spins on its axis and orbits the sun. The Earth spins on its own axis and orbits the sun. The earth spins on its own axis and orbits the sun. As we know, if this is sun, the earth has orbit which is like this, in this shape, not round but like egg. So the earth orbits the sun. This is earth and this is moon. Okay, this is the way they move. Then we have explained why some people think that the sun moves, because we see evidence of the sun moving every day. It's rises from the sky and then sets on the sky, so that's why we think this. The sun casts shadow in different positions and it rises in the opposite direction to where it sets, east to west, right? So we will write the answer as, explain why some people think that the sun moves, because we see the sun rises and sets in different direction, not different, opposite direction. Opposite directions. Okay, this is the answer. Abdul Aziz, are you there? Abdul Aziz Musaid. Abdullah Faisal Al Bugami, now he is there. Okay, then Abdullah Omar, Mawjood? Abdullah Omar. Fahad Hamid is there. Okay. Sultan is there now. Okay. So we have Abdulaziz Masaid absent till now.
Sir, did you make me absent?
No, no, I didn't. Only Abdulaziz is absent today.
Mister,
Yes.
I was writing with you the whole time.
Okay, just 1 second. Let me just. Okay. You can see that, right?
No, Mister, no. See what? The answer is yes.
You can see the screen.
You can see everyone names on the left.
Yeah, I know. But here you can see the answers, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Finished or not?
Yes, yes, finish.
Okay. Finish it quickly so that we can move. Okay, so here question number 1, we talked about this page. Okay, here we had a chart. Okay, just 1 second, let me. Okay, here we have question number 1, which is about, okay, we will start from here. Which month of the year has most sunlight hours? Most sunlight hours means zyada.
Summer.
Zyada, right? So here we have 10 hour, 11, 12, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13. So we have 13, 13, 13. 13 hours and 21 minutes, 25 minutes and 3 minutes. So it
Miss-
means this is more. So if we check, July is more, right? July has more sunlight hours. So that's why we wrote here July. Got it?
Mister, I
Yep.
am finished.
Okay. Then we
Good.
have which has earliest sunrise. Earliest sunrise. Okay. Sunrise time is this. This is sunrise time if you see. Okay. Then earliest sunrise 7, 6, 6 and 16. Okay. Then we have 5 and 52, 540, 544. So this one. Which month is this? June. So we wrote here June, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then we have which month has fewest sunset? Latest sunset. Okay, latest sunset. This is sunset time. Now we are checking latest, yani ta'khir. Okay. First of all, we have 17 hours. 18, 18, 18, 19, then 19,
Okay, mister.
19. So we got 19 and 10, right? So this is most. So if we see
Yes,
here,
move, mister.
we wrote here July. July has latest sunset, yani time 19 hours and 10 minutes. Here in June, 19 hours and 2 minutes. So we have latest means zyada. So 9 hours and 10 minutes are latest. So July is the right answer. Which month has fewest sunlight hours? Fewest yani shoya. This month has 10 hours and 51 minutes. 11 hours, 11, 11. It is increasing. So we will write 10 hours and 15 minutes, which is the month January. So we wrote here January. Okay. Any problem in this? Do you have any problem in this?
No, mister.
Okay, if you have any question about this lesson today's, you can ask me
Easy.
now. Yeah. Next was last
Easy.
portion was Arabian. Circle the biggest. We know biggest is sun. Then we have Earth. Then Moon. So this is the sequence. Describe how the Earth moves. Include the words axis. The word spins. The Earth spins on its own axis. On axis, we use the word axis, right? Because said use the word axis. Then it orbits the sun. Orbit means this path. We call it revolution. Okay. And rotation around its axis. This is called rotation. This is axis. Sorry. Yes, why you are raising your hand? This is axis. This is axis. And it
Sir.
rotates around its axis and revolves around the sun. Yes. Further.
I didn't understand the X and then.
Okay, Abdullah. Faisal. Faisal
Mister,
Abdullah, right? Yes.
mister, I am right. All.
Khalas, okay. Faisal Rakkis, huh? If you will be with me, you will understand. Look, there are two ways of movement of the earth. One is around the sun, which is called revolution, and this is orbit. This is orbit of the earth. This path is called orbit, if you see this. This is orbit. Okay, and this is axis. Axis. This one. The Earth rotates around the axis. This line, imaginary line, is called axis, which is the way the Earth rotates around its axis, right? And then there is moon, which orbits the Earth. Orbit is a way, Sultan, don't open your mic. Orbit means a way on which one object revolves the other object. Yani sun and moon, sun and earth, earth and moon, they have orbit to revolve around other one. Okay, the moon revolves around the earth on its orbit. Then the earth orbits the sun. Orbit is a path. Okay, then we have axis, which is imaginary line on the earth, which also calls axis. Okay, that is imaginary line.
Mister,
Yes.
can I get out?
No. Okay, Faisal, understood or not? Faisal Abdullah Khal. One way is orbit, which is a way of the planet, and then we have imaginary line, which is
Hello, Mr. Abdulaziz Musa'id.
hello Abdulaziz, you are late, very late. We are going to finish. Okay, Faisal Abdullah Khalf, understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Then
you.
we have, you're welcome. Then we have explained why some people think that the sun moves, because if you see the sun rises from the east and sets in the west, opposite directions, and we can see the changing in our shadows also. In the morning they are long, then when in midday, then when the sun comes on our head, we see our shadows shortest. Then in the evening we see our shadows longest, or tawil. So that's why we think that the sun is moving, but actually the sun doesn't move, which is the heading of your lesson also. So now if you have any question, you can ask now, and then we will end the class.
Sir,
Yes.
open the screen back.
Okay, just 1 second, I will open it.
You see
Okay.
our names?
Yep, I can see.
I changed my name to Faris Ahmed.
No.
I am finished. Space? No, like that.
Yeah, I saw that.
But nothing happens.
It's written no. Look.
In my no, there is nothing. Same.
Okay, but I can see no on the screen.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now maybe you can see your name now. Now you can see? Yes, Misha.
No.
There is no.
There is yes,
Yes,
no.
sir,
no.
we can see our name.
Okay. Yes, Michelle, why you are raising your hand again? Faris, you can see your name here? Here.
Yes, but I can not see no.
Look, there is no.
In my screen, there's no.
Okay.
Mister,
No means no.
Mister,
صالح مو بطل صالح شخبطه.
Mister,
Yes, Michelle.
I don't see name.
Okay, check your screen if you can't see, because I can see your names. Okay, boys, this is it for today. Thanks for joining, and
don't
thank
see
you,
mine.
Mustafa and Malik, Muhammad Al Hadi, Ahmed, Faris,
Abdullah.
Fahd Hamid, Faisal Abdullah Khalf for participating. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Mister.